Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up the Creator Fund on TikTok. First, you need to meet specific eligibility requirements. You must be at least 18 years old, have a minimum of 10,000 followers, and accumulate at least 100,000 authentic video views in the last 30 days. Your account must also comply with all TikTok community guidelines and terms of service. This fund offers a fantastic opportunity for creators to earn money directly from their content. So let's get started on the steps to join. To be eligible for the Creator Fund, there are a few key requirements you must satisfy. First, you need to be at least 18 years old. Second, your account must have a minimum of 10,000 followers. Third, you need to have accumulated at least 100,000 authentic video views within the last 30 days. Finally, it's crucial that your account remains in good standing, adhering to all of TikTok's community guidelines and terms of service. Meeting these ensures a smooth application process. Once you meet the eligibility criteria, applying for the Creator Fund is straightforward. Head to your TikTok profile, tap the three lines in the top right corner and select Creator Tools. From there, choose Creator Fund. You will then be prompted to review and accept the program's terms and conditions. After accepting, simply submit your application. TikTok will then review your submission, which typically takes a few days, and notify you of their decision directly within the app. After joining the Creator Fund, your earnings will be based on factors like video views, engagement, and content authenticity. You can track your accumulated funds daily within your Creator Fund dashboard. To withdraw your earnings, your balance must reach a minimum of $10. Payouts are typically processed through a linked PayPal account or other designated payment method. Remember, consistent, engaging content is key to maximizing your potential earnings within the fund. Keep creating amazing videos.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.